Alright, round 2. Top showcase 15-16. Let's do this. Up to date. I'm not quite sure when I last break this product, but I'm pretty sure it's at least a few months ago. So finally back to breaking this product. It's finally out in most US online sites. Solid packaging there. Same configuration as the 16-17 version, but you don't get memorabilia cards from this product. So the only hits are the autograph hits, and it has got a much larger, more extensive, very deep autograph checklist. But of course, chances of landing the drab autos are also higher. So it's been a hit and miss as far as this product is concerned for me. Been getting some good hits like Suarez and Alonso, but I've been getting some drab Malmo or Genk or Mönchengladbach hits as well. So hoping more of the former than the latter. Let's do this. Very difficult to complete the base set for this product as well. I'm still like, what, 20 to 30 cards short of completing the base. But for the 16-17 version, I'm already, I think, 10 to 15 cards short. So even though I've bought more of 15-16 top showcase, chances are I'll be able to complete the 16-17 base set a lot faster. But we'll see what this product lies in waiting for me now. So one autograph kit per mini box. Just one more. Okay, so let's do mini box 1. Let's hope for the best. So this is for my own collection. Good luck to me. Let's focus. Alright, Granit Xhaka, of course now at Arsenal. Gaston Pereiro, a Wayne Rooney insert. This is the numbered card, Soldani, number to 50. Frank Ribery and Bengtson. Second pack, Tremolinas, Sevilla. For Tunis, Seydou Doumbia. This is a Xabi Alonso. Insert, Rodionov base and Matuidi base. Nothing exciting so far. Schweinsteiger Man U. Sven Coombs insert, and could this be hiding the autograph card? No, it's not. It's Hakan Çalhanoğlu, now at AC Milan. Marco Verratti and Dani Alves. 3 more packs from mini box 1. This is Santi Cazorla, Brigitte, Alaba, Road to Victory. This is Sergio Busquets, Koke, and Miguel Veloso. Down to the last 2 packs. Very excited to see what the autograph hit is. Hopefully it's a new addition to the collection. This is Keylor Navas, Real Madrid, Bellarabi, Mikel Arteta. Could this be hiding the autograph card? Yes, it is. This is the autograph card behind. Let's go for slow reveal. Looks like, but wait, this is Bayern Munich to me. Looks like Bayern Munich. And it is yet another Xabi Alonso hit. This is my second Xabi Alonso hit already. And very unlikely that you get two big hits in both mini boxes. So yeah, nice to hit him again, but a little disappointed because this is my second autograph base of him. Yeah, it should be the autograph base version, no numbers. And then Podolski followed by Lodogin. So now I'm very curious to see what's lying inside the second mini box. Nothing to shout of here. So let's load this up here. So it's a Bayern Munich hit, but it's not the Bayern Munich hit that I was hoping for. It would be nice to get a Oliver Kahn or a Manuel Neuer. But it's always nice to hit a former Liverpool player, nonetheless. One of the first few things he did when he retired was to take a nice holiday in Bangkok and Koh Samui. So it's really, really close to where he's at one time. It's more or less the same autograph quality as my first card. So there you have it, Xabi Alonso. Alright, so that's the first mini box. I'm done with that. Let's move on. So it's a repeat auto, but it's a big hit nonetheless. Shall I keep it or shall I trade it? Something for me to ponder about. Okay, let's move on now. Kevin Trapp, Gerard Piqué, Malmo insert, Alexandro. Yeah, nothing much to shout about. This is Andre Schürrle, Willian, numbered Willian, 3 of 99. Marcus Rosenberg insert, Soldani base, and a Zonde base. Next, Koke, Andre Gomes, Alvaro Morata. This is Paul Pogba, still in Juventus colors back in 15-16. Insert, Ruben Neves, and Patrick Emmett. This could very well be my very last box for this product. It has thrown up way too many, duplicate autograph hits for me to consider buying further boxes to break. Paco Alcacer, Jeju, Philip Lahm, and is this hiding the autograph card? No. So this is Philip Lahm, insert, Nainggolan, Schneider. Might be this pack. It's Martinez, Yarmolenko, Road to Victory, Gerard Piqué. No, the auto's not in this one. Has to be in the last pack then. Okay, let's see. Gaetan, Brahimi. The autograph card should be behind this Selçuk Inan insert. Wow. Wow. 2 big hits in one box. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Luis Suarez insert auto. And guess what, guys? This is my 4th hit. I've put 4 Luis Suarez hits from Topps and Panini products. Let me just show you something first, guys. Amazing. This is just, I mean, how many times do you get to pull Luis Suarez's out of boxes? So this is from my earlier collection. This is my first Xabi Alonso hit, and there you go. This is the second one, both base. But just check out something, guys. So there you go. 1 Luis Suarez, not enough. How about 2? And by the way, my first Suarez was numbered 150. This Luis Suarez monster right here is numbered to, oh, the first one is 150. The second one is numbered to 50. And the third one is numbered to 25. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do with this? Holy crap. Okay, let me just store it up first. Xabi Alonso and Luis Suarez in one box. Should I be happy or sad? No new additions to the collection, but two big monster hits. 7 of 25. Luis Suarez. And it's an insert. It's not a base auto, it's an insert auto. It's a low numbered auto as well. 7 of 25. And did I say just now this is my 4th hit? So I've got 3 Luis Suarez autographs of Topps Showcase 15-16. And I've got 1 of Black Gold Soccer from Panini. I'm lost for words, man. What am I gonna do with these 2 hits? Both former Liverpool players, fantastic players in their own right. Both left for the La Liga, where they achieved further success, so no complaints about them leaving. They went on to do greater things. Alright, so that wraps up Topps Showcase 15-16. What can I say? 2 big hits. It's better than getting 2 duplicate Malmo hits. We're crying out loud if I get those. Alright, so I'll stop here and I'll come back with Topps Showcase 16-17 later on. Still can't believe this, man.